Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set mobile data limit on TECNO Pop 7. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Then on the top you should be able to find SIM and network settings, enter it, then go for data and security, data settings and data usage. We'll need to allow a few settings for it. Then we have set data plan, and here you can customize your limit. So you can change a billing cycle between 1 month, 1 week or the other. And in the other you'll be able to manually pick the amount of days for this billing cycle. Then you can change the start date, and it should automatically select the end date as well. Now we can go for available data, so you can set how much of a limit you want to use on this device, and keep in mind that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. So let's go for 5000. Then you can change used data, and I'm gonna go for 2.5 megabytes. Now we can change the data usage warning level reminder, so when we reach this certain amount of data that was used, we'll get the data usage warning level. We'll get the data usage warning on our device. Then we can change when the data plan is used up. We can receive warn and turn off mobile data, or we can only receive warning. Then we have the data usage in notification bar. If you activate it, you'll be able to always check how much of the data you already used. Then there's also data traffic usage report that you can receive. Click on done and your mobile data plan is set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.